Welcome to Disney Theme Park World. Welcome aboard Disney Resort Line Monorail. We're here at Tokyo Disneyland Station where guests can visit Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. This station is the first stop from Resort Gateway Station. Our second journey embarks from Tokyo Disneyland Station to Bayside Station. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an elegant and beautiful station of Victorian style design. As you step into the station's plaza, a magnificent atrium welcomes you with classic Disney music playing around. Inspired by Crystal Palace restaurant in Tokyo Disneyland, this station is one-of-a-kind charming attraction itself.
The resort liner is now arriving. Please stay clear until the gates are open.
We're now approaching Bayside Station. For those who are staying at Tokyo Disney Resort official hotels may disembark.
We are now arriving at Bayside Station. Please disembark for the Tokyo Disney Resort Official Hotel. Please exit to the left.
Do you see the mountain Prometheus ahead? Yes, that's our next stop. Until next magical adventure, have a zippity-doo-dah day! Please make sure to subscribe and see you real soon.